St. John Vianney's Girls Higher Secondary School, Palliyadi. 10th Standard Mathematics. Unit 1, Relations and Functions. Dear students, today we are going to see Cartesian product. So let us see this picture. There are some vegetables and fruits. Let us assume vegetables are set A, fruits are set B. In set A, we have vegetables carrot, brinjal, lady's finger. In set B, there are fruits apple, orange, grapes and strawberry. If you see this Venn diagram, there are some relationship between the carrot and these four fruits, and brinjal and these four fruits, lady's finger and these four fruits. If you see this picture, carrot is joined with apple, carrot is joined with orange, carrot is joined with grapes, carrot is joined with strawberry. The same way, brinjal is joined with apple, orange, grapes and strawberry. In the same way, lady's finger also be joined with apple, orange, grapes and strawberry. So now we are going to see Cartesian product. The Cartesian product is denoted as A cross B. The Cartesian product is denoted by A cross B. Given two sets A and B, the Cartesian product is the set of all unique ordered pairs using one element from set A and one element from set B. So once again, let us read this definition. Given two sets A and B, the Cartesian product is the set of all unique ordered pairs using one element from set A and one element from set B. So the Cartesian product is denoted as A cross B. So we can denote this way also. A cross B equal to set of A comma B such that A belongs to A and B belongs to capital B. So if you see this picture, we can understand little more. So this is set of A. In set of A, we have the elements X, Y, Z. In set of B, we have the elements 1, 2, 3. Now we have already learned. So A cross B is a Cartesian product. So when we write A cross B, we can write, first we start with A element, X, comma 1, X, comma 2, X, comma 3. The B element has to be second. The same way, Y, comma 1, Y, comma 2, Y, comma 3. Z, comma 1, Z, comma 2, Z, comma 3. This is A cross B. If it is B cross A, we should write the B element first. For example, so we should write 1, comma X, 2, comma X, 3, comma X. I hope you understood, students. Now let us see some of the examples from our book. If A equal to set of 1, 3, 5 and B equal to set of 2, 3, then find A cross B and B cross A. Let us see first this one. So given that A equal to set of 1, 3, 5 and B equal to set of 2, 3. So already we know when we write A cross B, we should write the elements A first. So 1, 3, 5 cross set of 2, 3 equal to set of 1. The 1 is from A. 1, 2, 1, 3. Then 3, 2, 3, 3. 5, 2, 5, 3. Let us take this is the equation first, then B cross A. Here we write the B elements first. Set of 2, 3 into set of 1, 3, 5 equal to, first we start to write the B element, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 5. 3, 1, 3, 3, 3, 5. This is the second equation. From 1 and 2, okay, so now we finish this question, A cross B and B cross A. Now the second question is A cross B equal to B cross A? If not, why? From 1 and 2, we conclude, already we have done A cross B and B cross A. So from this one, we can understand these two are not the same elements. You see, this is 1, 2, here 2, 1. So that is not equal. So we can write A cross B not equal to B cross A. Now the third question show that n of A cross B equal to n of B cross A equal to n of A cross n of B. Let us see this. We have already find out A cross B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So A cross B have 6 elements. The same way B cross A has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 elements. So we can write n of A cross B equal to 6. The same way n of B cross A equal to also 6. Now n of A. So there are 3 elements in A. 3. A equal to 1, 3, 5. So we can write n of A equal to 3. So B have 2 elements. So n of B can be written 2. N of B can be written 2. So n of A cross n of B. N of A cross n of B equal to 2 into 3, 6. So n of A cross B equal to n of B cross A equal to n of A into n of B equal to 6. So now let us see the next example. If A cross B equal to set of 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 5, 4, then find A and B. A cross B equal to, they have already given the set of 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 5, 4. So here we know A. So A should be first element. Am I right? So here 2 3s are here and 2 5s are here. So now we can conclude. So A equal to set of all first coordinates of elements of A cross B. So A equal to, so 3, the first element, 3 and 5. Do you understand? So B equal to set of all second coordinates of elements of A cross B. Second one. So here 2, we see this 2 and 4. So we can write B equal to set of 2, 4. So thus A equal to set of 3, 5 and B equal to set of 2, 4. Dear students, I hope you understood this. Tomorrow let us see the next example. Thank you.